I see.
Well, you can do that use model.
Models, yeah. I use it for models, for different kinds of models. For example, okay, what would you recommend me to try? Okay, so what would you try? Okay, what would you recommend me to try? So I think you should try blah blah blah. Yeah. Okay, you say, if I decided to try this one, I don't know how to call this. Oh, here we have parkour. Yeah, here we have parkour. So if I decided to try parkour, yeah. So what do you think? What rules do we have? So like to survive? Okay, because definitely we have. Yeah. Probably I mustn't eat before it. Yeah. Okay. What else?
You must be attentive.
Yeah, I must be attentive. Yeah, or blah blah blah. Yeah, so like I say, okay. So take a look at another one. Like here, it's not interesting, but like it's interesting, but not wow. Okay, so something like that. You can ask them, so can you do like this? What do you think, would you be able to do it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, like you can present, like can you do like that? But would you be able to do it? Yeah?
Have you tried?
Have you ever tried? Yeah. Or would you try? Yeah? Mm-hmm. It can be everything. Or present continuous, just present continuous, yeah. So, just you're watching and you have to tell me one by one what people are doing, but very, very fast, okay? So you just kind of brainstorm. It's really cool for post-grammar, after checking homework even, okay, just to have it, like, and they'll remember that forever, okay? Try to be as fast as they can, okay? So it's gonna be really cool. So Microsoft is called People Are Awesome, and you can find a lot of really amazing videos, really amazing. It's really cool, okay? Okay. On take a look. Another thing is talking about like videos. You understand? Yeah. So that it's better to be like I don't know, to be out of the box, because videos now are not out of the box. Okay. I think it's not that thing. But if you bring videos, try to bring something raw. Okay? But try to be very careful, really careful, especially if you use movies or something like that. Because I don't know, maybe because I'm so lucky, but I've had a situation when, twice, by the way, when woman was crying during my lessons. Anyway, it's good too, maybe, yeah, because it was emotion. The first is we were watching, I wouldn't say that was sad film, I don't remember the name of the film, but I definitely watched when two guys escaped some kind of hospital because they were going to die, and you remember, okay? Yeah, and they had kind of adventure, we were watching adventure. But she just remembered that film started crying. Okay, I don't know. Maybe she had some personal, situation when somebody was ill. I don't know. Okay, so and that was not a very good idea. And once we were watching video about parkour, like parkour only, and we didn't have a lot of parkours there. We had just one guy, and he was explaining rules and the seat, and just a few like short videos. And she was really terrified. She was sitting like that. She was stunned. Again, so I got just to know that she had phobia and she was afraid of height. Okay, so that's why it could be wrong. So that's why if you decide to show something like that, okay, so you have to ask them. Is it okay for you, like if you watch some programs about Wild Planet? Yeah, like have you ever watched Discovery? When one animal is eating another, it's okay, it's nature. Yeah, okay? Okay. Only after that you show. For men, it's usually okay. For women, it's you have to be careful. Okay, they are too sensitive sometimes for our lessons. Okay. Cool. And now take a look. The last thing I'd like to ask you to do is I'd like to ask you, what would you implement in your nearest lessons? So let's start with you. And why?
Okay, I got some drawing.
Drawing?
Association, so giving a trend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it seems to me it's good for the presentation to get acquainted with the students, giving some the name of the food I like it in your presentation.
It's okay.
Drawing.
Drawing is the best for you. Okay, you're welcome.
Well, I liked the chain, that human chain, like voices from the past. If the group is not going to be that large, I would definitely do this one because, well, it's good as for grammar and as for presentation too.
Okay.
And the good thing is that, as you said, you don't look back at them, so they feel themselves more comfortable. So
Okay.
I really like that part.
Okay, but they feel unusual or comfortable
but
because it's strange at
If you
least,
have
okay?
like a small group that and it's not your first lesson that you
Yeah.
know them,
Yeah,
you could
yeah.
definitely use
Yeah,
this one.
go. Okay, so
Recently, in today I used a game action game for present continuous. We were sitting in the boutique. It was, windows. There are no windows. There is just a wall, transparent wall, and near Hyatt Hotel. And I asked him, look at that portier. What is he doing? And it was very funny. And it was a black man, and he saw us and he smiled to us. So
black man, come on. Be careful. Okay. I see. Okay, cool. So,
Well, I probably take this core idea that the emotion itself is much stronger than like just remembering a vocabulary and the grammar knowledge. So that's like the main idea is to use to make them feel these emotions and to personalize the information. And the stronger emotion is, it doesn't matter whether it is pleasant or it is just kind of disgusting or like so. This is the idea, to use them feel emotions
yeah,
during the
because
lessons.
image is not picture all the time. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
we
what we feel.
feel,
Yeah, it's what we feel. Good.
Well, I like annotation part when we use annotations, and we can use not only grammar again, but they were speaking a lot, and to make them to create stories. So it's great.
Okay, I see.
I think I will use some unusual videos. Also, I like drawings, and this thing with tea and coffee, maybe for comparing something.
Okay, I see.
I think the thing I would definitely use is the perfume, tea, and coffee thing because it can just bring up some senses that are really unusual because we visualize a lot, really. And about when it comes to the smells, I think it would be really impressive. And also just for them to go in mind it later.
Okay, cool.
I liked the exercise which is called Ghost from the Past.
Okay.
And also the video about Python who was eating
Alligator, yeah, okay. I see. And I like to ask you, like, don't hesitate, it's absolutely not a question, okay? What wouldn't you use and why? Like, it's absolutely okay, yeah? So, just with team, it's okay. You don't know?
Can we use everything?
Oh, yeah, again, it's everything. But what do you think is strange to use, or is not very good, or uncomfortable, or something like that?
I think the soap thing is a little bit uncomfortable.
Soap thing,
Especially for the big group, you have to pass it over from one to another and stick fingers. So
Okay.
I think it's
You wouldn't
kinda
use.
weird.
It's okay.
No,
It's okay.
yeah.
Okay. Cool. So, but actually, soap could be used also for countable and countable. Yeah. So sometimes they shouldn't touch it. So just take a look and ask, can you count? Can you count? Yeah. How many soaps we have? If we use this one, yeah. But open it. And show them. Can we count it? Yeah. Or something like that. Why not? So, and can you say one thing can be used for everything actually? Yes. Okay. What else would you use? It's nice. Like, give you ideas and I'll give you some alternative. Why not? Okay. You may think about it, okay, and write feedback to Nadia. Okay. So, and it would be really great, okay, if you did it. Because I'm looking forward to getting to know new ideas, okay. But the most important thing is, of course, not everything can be used with all students, but everything can be used with all students. Okay, so you understand, yeah? It depends on the type of students. It depends how long you've known them, okay? But personally, here I presented you things that were successful, okay, and which were presented by me, okay, with my students, and students liked it and remember it, and so it's only based on experience. So that's why I wish you to create your own things, so don't hesitate, okay, risk. And the most important thing here is to explain your students why you do this, okay, especially if you have very adult students, okay, so sometimes we need to explain, and sometimes even we need to explain before you give the task. I usually tell like that, you know, we're going to do something now, okay, but
Strange.
yeah, something strange. But we do that because you'll feel emotions, and if we feel emotions, we remember better, okay? So let's try, okay? And they say, okay, because of course they didn't have any chance. But, you know, you warned them. So, do you have any questions?
Probably they can write you. You can write me, guys, your questions. I'll pass to Jana then, and
So,
she
if
will
you have
contact
any
you.
questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm so sorry because I had like another slides in presentation, but unfortunately, yeah. But it was really nice to meet you. You're really cool. I liked really time spent with you. So thank you very much. Have a nice evening. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice images in your life, and let it be more positive than negative. Okay.